Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on the iPad. First, confirm your iPad is compatible with the game's requirements to ensure a good experience. Next, head to the App Store and download the Xbox Cloud gaming application. A strong, reliable internet connection, such as 5G or a fast Wi-Fi network, is crucial for minimizing lag and enjoying seamless gameplay. Once the Xbox Cloud Gaming app is installed, open it and sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, creating a free Microsoft account is a quick and easy process. After logging in, you'll need to link your existing Epic Games account to your Microsoft account directly within the Xbox Cloud Gaming application. This step is vital for accessing Fortnite. Now, find Fortnite in the Xbox Cloud Gaming library and launch it. You have the option to use the on-screen touch controls, which are fully customizable, or connect a compatible Bluetooth controller for a more traditional gaming feel. Don't forget to dive into the in-game settings to fine-tune things like sensitivity and graphics, ensuring the best possible performance and a personalized experience. To truly excel, spend time in creative mode practicing your building and editing skills. This is key to winning more matches. Effective communication with your squad through voice chat can provide significant strategic advantages during intense battles. For those looking to upgrade their home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This powerful robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making cleaning effortless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.